shopping po nandiyan eh. Wala na.
Hi, Sir Steve. We're here at the helmet shop. So many helmet here.
Bago kayo sa ganito nila.
May small needs.
Yan, ganyan naman.
Visor. Tapos, na-adjust naman po yan. Pwede naman natin hipitan.
Adjust ko na lang. Oh, tapos kay Glenn, white. Ganda. Medium na lang.
Sir Steve, this is the 6,000 for Aterona.
Thank you, Sir Steve. We're here now at the shop and we're buying now a helmet, and this is the helmet that I choose. And ano ba to? Full face. Sir Steve, this is a full face, and you can.
Pero din eh. Pasok mo ito kamay mo.
Ayaw nga. Yun sa ilan. Half face.
Half face and visor inside. Another visor. And we have another visor. Clear visor. Ayun.
Wow.
Steve, we're here at the Safeway.
Hindi, parehas lang naman sila ng brand. Pinagkaiba lang nila. Mas malaki to.
Machine.
Doon ka na sa malaki.
This is the pick of
Tanong mo muna kung magandang kulay.
Joanna's pick this. 5,700.
Meron po kayong stock nito?
5,750.
It's 7.5
And
kilo.
7.5 kilogram. It's very big. And we have dryer too.
Dito na kulay be.
Kano yan?
750. Kuya, isa niya. Meron kayong blue.
What did you say for Sir Steven?
Sir Steven, thank you very much. I'm so happy and my mom. Tama. Thank you so much, Sir Steve. I'm so very happy. Unexpected, Sir Steve.
Very big help for my
Very big help for my mom, Sir Steve. Take her always, Sir Steve.